As you can see, we have here a serial terminal, serial port coming from the Arduino UNO. Here you can see that this is the device COM6 that is sending the data on this terminal, serial monitor 1, while we are also getting data on the other terminal, that is the Arduino's terminal, that is our another serial terminal, normal serial monitor. So we have two commands. One serial port we generated using the software serial library at pin number 2 and 3, and at that we connected our USB to TTL device, this one, and then after that we also are using our ordinary serial port, that is the serial monitor, and we send serial monitor 1 on the generated, that is the CH340 device generated serial software serial port, and we send normal serial monitor on the Arduino. So see, we only see one string, normal serial monitor, while the other string, this is going to the other serial terminal. Take a look here, this one. See, we are getting the string over here. So this is how you can have additional serial terminals. Guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video, I will show you how you can add an additional serial monitor on your Arduino UNO using a software serial port. So we will be using a USB to TTL device. So let's get started. So guys, this is our Arduino UNO. As you can see, this over here is a USB to TTL device, CH340, and this is the bottom view, this is the top view. This device is easily available in the market, and you may use any other USB to TTL device like FT232 or the CP2102 or any other device. They all do the same. So guys, first let me label this. You can see it is already labeled. There is a 5 volt pin, VCC, 3.3 volt, TX, RX and ground. Whichever USB to TTL device you buy from the market, 3 pins are always common: ground, RX and TX. So these 3 are only required in such an application when you want to connect your Arduino to a computer. Like I want to connect my Arduino to various laptops. I want this Arduino to be connected to 6 laptops. So I will generate 6 software serial ports, and then I will connect 6 of these devices, and each device will go to one laptop. In this way, my Arduino will be displaying the same data on multiple computers. So in such applications, this is very useful. So let's do the wiring. So first of all, ground goes to the ground of your Arduino. TX will go to the RX of your software serial port. You can use any port to generate the software serial. There are various options. I'm going to use a pin number 2 as a software serial RX and pin number 3 as a software serial TX. So TX will go to the RX, and the RX will go to the TX, that is pin number 3 of the Arduino UNO. This is the software serial port I have generated. 2 the RX, 3 the TX. So TX of the USB to TTL device goes to RX, RX to 2X, simple as that. So let me show you the hardware, then we move on to the programming. So guys, this is the hardware. This is the Arduino UNO. Wiring is as shown in the presentation. This is the USB to TTL device I'm going to use. Over here you can see that the wiring is same as shown in the presentation. So let's see how many pins we have here, the same. So let's do the programming. Let me open the Arduino IDE. So we start with the programming now. Hey guys, let's open the Arduino IDE. Let me open the magnifier so we can zoom in. Here you go. Okay, let's write the code first. Okay, we just need one window. You go to the left there, click on file, new sketch, wait for the new sketch to open. This window pops up, let it open. Let me close all of the tabs. Okay, here we go. It's opened. First of all, before you do anything else, save your work. Either press Ctrl S or go to file and click on save. Write any name that you prefer. I write additional serial terminal. Okay, that is the name I wrote. Okay, wait. Okay, here you go. So now we can start programming. I will remove these comments. If you want to keep, you can keep it. First of all, we are using a software serial port. So for that, we need to initialize a software serial port. To initialize a software serial port, that is a very common thing you use in your libraries. So first of all, you have to write a header here, which is hash include. You will write $sign software serial .h. Here you go. Then after that, you write initialize the pins that you want to use. You again write the software serial, and then you write the name that you want to set. I say serial monitor 1. Okay, that is the name I am giving it. and the pin 2 and 3. So here the syntax is like RX and then TX. So first pin is the RX. So we, as shown in the presentation, I'm using pin number 2 as the RX and 3 as the TX. So this will initialize the software serial port. Now we set the baud rate. Whatever the baud rate you set here, the same baud rate you have to use in your serial monitors. Begin, whatever the baud rate is, I set it 9600. That is very common to be used. Okay, now this is how we initialize the software serial port. This is the name and this is the baud rate we set for this. So this is our software serial port. First of all, then we also use our normal serial. You can use the same both at the same time but on different serial monitors. So I write here serial.begin. This is our hardware serial port and also at 9600 baud rate. I will show you data from both the ports at different terminals. Okay, here you go. Now we write something like on the software serial I display, you just copy this, whatever the name you set, dot, write down the command print ln, whatever you want to send. I send serial monitor 1. Okay, this is our serial monitor 1 sending the data. I give some delay. After every 250 millisecond it will send this data on the serial monitor. We verify the code, check for errors. Okay, no errors, that's perfect. Now this is our serial monitor 1. We also use the ordinary serial monitor. So normal serial monitor, just write serial dot print ln and I say normal serial monitor. That is basically your hardware serial monitor, that is a software serial monitor. Okay, so both will be doing the same at the same time. So first it will send data over that and then over here. I verify this code. Okay, oh sorry, there should be L as well, serial. Okay, verify, no errors. Now we can burn it, but before that you have to connect the USB ports. Go back there, you connect both the ports. First your normal Arduino cable, this one, and then also the software serial port, this one. Also connect this one as well. So both need to be connected. Here you go, both are connected. Okay, now both different names to both have been assigned. Okay, so guys, my camera just got disconnected. I reconnected the camera. Okay, you can see that there we have connected the USB to TTL device, also our Arduino UNO as well. Both are connected. So this will be sending serial monitor 1 the second string, first string. This will be sending the second string. So we will see both the terminals. So first of all, you go to your device manager. Here you have to take a look at the COM devices that are connected. So this makes sure that the drivers are installed for your device. So I have both connected. So this is the one USB to serial port. If you want to verify, just disconnect the device, it will disappear. The one that disappears is the one that you are looking for, and then reconnect it, it will come back again. And Arduino UNO is at COM12, so COM12 and COM6. So just go to your Arduino IDE first. Now let's, since the code had no error, we click on upload. So the code is uploading. Okay, done uploading. First of all, we check the Arduino UNO, go to the tools. Here Arduino is connected, COM12, that is perfect. Okay, now click on the serial monitor, tools, serial monitor, wait. Okay, normal serial monitor, see it is showing the normal serial monitor, that is true. So see, this one is not appearing here. Why? Serial monitor 1, this didn't appear on this screen because that is connected to the other device, that is the software serial pins 2 and 3. While the hardware serial, this one is being shown is at pin number 0 and 1. So that is a problem. Now we want to see the other terminal as well. What data is being sent? This is the data on the other terminal. Now to access the other terminal, first let me show you the device. Since we have burned the code, now take a look here. The LED is blinking. This means that something is being sent after a 250 millisecond delay. Sorry, half a second delay, 250 plus 250. See, this means some data is being sent. Now what is the data? That we will see on the serial monitor. So you can use any serial terminal for this. I will just use an online one. I write serial terminal online And this one, the first one, this is a very good serial terminal. Just the baud rate we have set is 9600. That's perfect. Click on connect. It will ask for ports. Oh, sorry, I just wanted to zoom in. I click on zoom first. Click on connect. The port is this one, COM6. Click on connect. Okay, there you go. Okay, I just accidentally opened the same on the micro C as well. So you cannot open the same port at two places at the same time. So see, this is working fine. This is the COM port 6, which is connected, this one. Okay, it's already opened. You cannot open one port twice. So see, the serial monitor 1, this string is being sent here, while the other string, that is the serial normal monitor, is being sent on this terminal. Because this is our ordinary terminal and this is the software serial terminal. Now, as many software serial terminals you generate, you can have that much device and you can connect it to that many computers. So this is how you add an additional software serial port. So guys, this is it. I hope you guys learned something from this video. We'll see you in the next lecture. So goodbye until then.